In this video, I'll guide you on how to transfer money to India using Remitly. Remitly is a secure, fast, and cost-effective way to send money internationally. If you're new, sign up using the link below and enjoy your first transfer with no fees. Now let's get started. First, open the Remitly app or visit their website at remitly.com. And again, if you don't have an account yet, sign up using the link below for free and enjoy your first transfer fee free. So existing users can simply log in using your credentials. So now once logged in, choose India as your destination on this section. So once you click onto this downward arrow, you'll be able to see all of your options. But you can just simply type in India right here and select that from the options. So after selecting India, hit send money and now enter the amount of money that you'd like to send first in US dollars. So for example, I'm going to send $100 and then you'll be able to have automatic conversion of their corresponding currency. And once you scroll down, you then need to select your delivery speed. So you can go for Express and Economy. So for Express, you need to pay here with debit card or credit card. Now for Economy, you'll be paying with a bank account. So this usually transfers between 3 to 6 days. So I recommend you to go with Express if you want your transfer to be almost instant. So on this section part or on this section, then you'll see the fee that you'll be paying for your transaction. Now hit continue and select your delivery method. Now for India, you'll have this option. So you can go for bank deposit, UPI, and cash pickup. So for bank deposit, you'll have all of these options, but you can have more once you go onto this part. It says 219 more locations, which is really convenient. And now just select the location that is most convenient for your recipient. Now for UPI, you need to type in the virtual payment address of your recipient. And lastly, for cash pickup, this is the options that you have. So again, you can select the most convenient location for your recipient also. And for this one, we are going with cash pickup and select RIA money transfer as delivery method. Now type in the recipient's name, first name, and their last name. Then hit continue. On the next part, type in the recipient city and state. Make sure that it is the same information that would appear on their valid ID. And if you'd like for your recipient to receive some transfer updates, you just need to type in their mobile number on this section, but this is completely optional, so you can skip this one. And now select the reason for sending. So you can go for savings and family support, tax payment, educational institutions, and so on. After that, hit continue again and input the relationship that you have with the recipients. For example, brother, cousin, daughter, and so on. So for this one, I'm going with cousin, hit continue. Now for the payment method, you'll be able to pay with bank transfers, debit cards, or credit cards. So for now, we are going to add new card. And if you're going with this option also, you need to type in your card number, expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on your card. And make sure to double check the billing address. And once you've typed in all of the information, click on to the next button. And on the next part, let's review all the details, including the recipient's information and the amount being sent. Remitly will show you the estimated delivery. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer and receive a tracking number for updates. So that's it. Sending money to India with Remitly is simple, secure, and fast. Don't forget to sign up with the link below for a fee-free first transfer. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.